Hello, for my project for Read Aloud, I chose to read My Big Truck book. It has a lot of questions in it that kids can answer and say their favorite truck or tractor, and I remember I really liked it as a kid. So first we have construction trucks. Dump truck, mini loader, giant evacuator, dumper, scraper, and mini digger. Which truck can dig a giant hole? Here we have a forklift, bulldozer, evacuator, and digger. Which truck can lift a load up high? Farm trucks. We have a treaded tractor, a plow, a grass cutter, a baler, a loader, and a harvester. Which truck is like a giant lawn mower? A grass cutter. Here we have a tractor. How do you climb into this tall tractor? You use the ladder. Busy town trucks. A snowplow, a fuel truck, an airport truck, a mail truck, a van, and a school bus. Which truck is busy in the winter? A snowplow. Here I have a telephone line repair truck, a delivery truck, and a pickup truck. Which truck carries food to the grocery store? The delivery truck. Emergency trucks. A brush rig, an airport fire truck, and a paramedic truck. Which truck comes when someone is hurt? Here we have a fire chief's truck, a police tow truck, a ladder truck, and a fire engine. Which truck can rescue people in a high building? And lastly, we have big trucks. We have a big rig, a car transporter, a garbage truck, and a fuel tanker. Which truck takes away your trash? A garbage truck. We have a dump truck, a container truck, and a concrete mixer truck. Which is the coolest looking truck? Thank you.